Do you know why so small? The bucket of a long arm excavator. Did you notice? The excavator bucket with extended arm is much smaller than that of ordinary excavators. The long arm excavator in the video is digging deep pits. Although the excavator is large, the bucket looks tiny. The long arm excavator actually has a smaller bucket, mainly to ensure the stability and safety of the excavator. The extended arm of the long arm excavator can be as long as more than 20 meters. If the bucket is too heavy, then it will place a greater burden on the structure of the excavator. It can even cause the intestinal wall to break. Smaller buckets can reduce weight, make excavators easier to operate and control. This increases work efficiency and safety. In addition, the smaller bucket is suitable for fine excavation and operation. For example, in confined spaces or where precise control is required. Larger buckets are better suited for large-scale excavation and loading operations.